Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at another accessory for the Apple AirTag. So this is the secure holder with keyring for the Apple AirTag, and this is from Belkin. I did order this directly from Apple, and this one comes in at a price of $12.95. So this actually does expose the AirTag, but it does protect the edges of it, and it looks like it is a silicone material, but we'll find that out when we open it. Now it does come in a couple different colors. It comes in white, black, blue, and pink. Comes in at a price of just $12.95. And what it says here on the website, it does have ultra secure lock, does have engineering for scratch protection, and an open design for the AirTag. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at what we get. So our packaging is pretty simple. We do have Belkin branding. We have a picture of the actual key ring itself, and then on the back it does show a little bit more. So it does say ultra secure lock and engineered for scratch protection, and it says enjoy peace of mind, your new device is secured and protected. So here's what comes in the box. We do get our key ring as well as the AirTag holder itself. So it looks like it's just a two-piece affair here, and we should be able to just twist it inside and then lock it into place, what it looks like. And then we have the key ring itself for the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. So it looks like we just put the AirTag in just like so, and then we take the other side and we should be able to just lock it in place. So let's see if we can align it properly. Looks like there is a little line here, and then we should be able to just lock it like so. And there it is. It is plastic, so it's not silicone, but it should protect the edges of your AirTag. Now, in order to remove your AirTag from this, it's pretty much the same, just in the opposite. So you just want to slide it, and you'll see the little notch, and just slide it until you get to the end. And then we should just be able to take our AirTag back out. And then, of course, you have to add the key ring yourself, so you just slide that on. And there you go. So the AirTag is secure in there, although it is not completely protected. But if you did have an emoji or anything engraved on the AirTag, you'd be able to see it nice and clearly. And it is a nice color blue. And the plastic housing should protect the AirTag from bumps and scrapes. So there you guys have it, just a quick look at the secure key holder from Belkin. So this is for the Apple AirTag. It does come in those 4 different colors and comes in at a price of $12.95. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to carry your AirTag as a keychain, this might be one to look at. If you guys are interested in this one, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. If you have any questions or comments on this, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.